Welcome back. Today we are working on our friend's camper, Bertha. Bertha has a problem with her skylights. They don't allow much light to come in and they're leaking. Bertha's owner Dave bought some new skylights to put in, but realised that they were too big for the holes, so it wasn't a matter of just swapping them over. This is where we come in. Using the angle grinder, Jason cuts out two sides from the old skylight. Meanwhile, I prepare the second skylight by removing the bitumen sealant. Jason cuts the last little bits from below and then he pops back up to cut the last little section by hand. With that piece of structure removed, we can test fit to see if the new vent will fit. Jason built new support structure from 40 by 40 aluminium angle. He rivets the two pieces in position, adjusts the fit with a hammer. We temporarily fit the skylight and tape around the edges so we can glue it in position. We use a special glue to secure it to the roof. We use Sika hybrid assembly adhesive. We drill pilot holes and then screw the vent to the roof. Then we fillet seal the edge and seal the screw holes. Jason makes the support bracket for the back roof vent. Just like we did on the front vent, Jason seals up any possible gaps. He rivets in the support and takes up around the edges so we can glue the vent in position. We apply the Sika flex around the edges in 3 even beads. Jason drills the pilot holes for screwing the vent in position. Uses a driver to place the screws and then tightens them by hand. You'll see us doing a bit more work on Bertha, including installing solar panels on her roof.